Hello, all you wonderful people, and thank you so much for clicking. In this video, we will listen to Old Norse. Such a beautiful language. The first part of the video, we will go over the history and some general information about Old Norse. And at the end, we will listen to about 1 minute of it. I hope you enjoy. Old Norse is an ancient North Germanic language that was spoken by the Norse people during the Viking Age from approximately 800 to 1200 AD. It was primarily spoken in the Scandinavian region, including present-day Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Iceland, and parts of the British Isles. Here are some key aspects of Old Norse. Runes. Old Norse was originally written using the runic alphabet known as the Younger Futhark. The runic script consisted of 16 characters and was primarily used for short inscriptions, names, and magical purposes. Later, Old Norse also adopted the Latin alphabet for more extensive writing. Dialects. Old Norse had several dialects, the most important being Old West Norse, or Old Icelandic and Old Norwegian, and Old East Norse or Old Swedish and Old Danish. The Old Icelandic dialect preserved in the sagas and literature is the most well-documented and considered the standard form of Old Norse. Literature. Old Norse literature is renowned for its rich mythology, heroic sagas, and poetry. The Eddas, including the Poetic Edda and Prose Edda, are major sources of Norse mythology, featuring tales of gods, heroes, and the end of the world, Ragnarok. Sagas such as the Icelandic sagas depict historical events, family sagas, and legends. Influences. Old Norse had a significant impact on the development of other North Germanic languages, as well as on the English language. Many Old Norse words and expressions were assimilated into Old English during the Viking Age, leading to a considerable Norse influence on the English vocabulary. Decline and evolution. Old Norse began to decline with the Christianization of Scandinavia and the spread of the Latin alphabet. By the 14th century, Old Norse had transformed into the Middle Scandinavian languages, which later evolved into the modern Nordic languages, including Icelandic, Norwegian, Swedish, Danish, and Faroese. Old Norse provides insights into the history, culture, and mythology of the Viking Age. Its literary works and sagas continue to captivate readers and have played a significant role in shaping our understanding of Norse civilization. Now let's listen to some Old Norse.
Fyrst var þó sá heimur í Suðurhálfu Muspell heitir.
Still there was before a world to the south, which was called Muspelheim.
Og þá mættist hríminn og blær hitans, svo að bráðnaði og draup, og af þeim kviku drópum kviknaði með krafti þess til sendi hitan, og varð manns líkandi, og var sá nefndur Ymir.
And when the heated blasts from Muspelheim met the frost, so that it melted into drops, then, by the might of him who sent the heat, the drops quickened into life.
Og Ýmis holdi var jörð og sköpuð, ór sveita sær, björg úr beinum, baðmur úr hári, ór...
Wow, that was extremely interesting. I hope you have all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you can like and subscribe, it would mean the world to us. Have a wonderful day.